I'm here with Jo from Advantage Caravan Repairs. She's going to give us some tips on how to store our caravan to make sure it stays in tip-top condition. Now, Jo, I've just come back from a big journey. What are the first things I should think about?
Well, some of the things that you need to think about when you're getting home from your trip is how do you store your caravan? And the best storage solution for a caravan ultimately is a garage, if that's at all possible. Undercover is your next best option, so a carport would also be something that you could consider. If you don't have access to an undercover area, then you could also look at using a caravan cover.
Okay, so we've got the outside covered. When we go inside, what sort of things should we be thinking about there?
If you've just come home from a trip, some of the things that you need to think about is cleaning the van out so that it stays in tip-top condition. Things like making sure that your fridge is empty and dry so that it doesn't, attract any mould. Obviously, some other things that you might like to think about is keeping your windows closed and making sure that if you've got a pop-top caravan, the roof is down properly as well, just to keep it free from dust, things like mice, ants, things along those lines.
I have heard it's a good idea not to completely rely on the brake, the handbrake, and to chock up the wheels. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, most definitely, especially if you're parking your caravan on an angle. You obviously don't want it to be rolling down your driveway. So I guess it's important to also mention that servicing your caravan at regular intervals is also a really important thing. A caravan that you've just purchased, if it's brand new, should be serviced at the first 1000 Ks. But if you're really getting into caravanning, it's important to be aware that it does need to be serviced every 10,000 kilometres.
Is that right?
Absolutely.
Well, thanks, Jo.
No
I think
problem.
I'm in safe hands.
Thank you.